Today, you guys, I will be doing some pots. Today I have with you these geraniums. This is a variety of the coleus. And then this is the verbena. This is the licorice plant. And then I have some, which is common name, purple queen plant that I'll be planting today. And so you see here, this pot already has old soil in it. I'll be taking half of the soil out, putting some new soil back in, but leaving a baseline so that we won't have to fill it all back up with new soil. And this is Creeping Jenny. And we're going to put that back in the pot. All of these plants are annuals. So I'm about done. The only thing left to do, I'm going to add in the purple queens, which is this plant here. It's called a purple queen. That's the common name. And this is an annual. You see here, I just popped this off of a plant that I had. And I'm just going to stick it directly into the soil. Wherever you decide that you want to place it at, you just put it directly in the soil there. And it'll just start to root just like that. You can also take it and put it in water and it'll start rooting automatically. Once you put it in the water, it'll root as well like that. But you can also put it directly into the soil. And I'll show you the finished product after I water them. This is the finished product. That's the first pot. And this is the second pot. These are all annuals that can handle at least 4 to 6 hours of sun. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to give you an update on the flowers that I planted. So this is 2 weeks and 1 day later. This is the update. As you can see, it's filling in and it's not as open as it was. And I'm starting to get a little bit of trail in here. These plants, and this is my licorice plant. So I went back and I did get it from the garden center, and I got it in the pot. So I'm so happy about that and excited. So that's one of the pots, and then this is the other one. So they're filling in great. They're already off to a great start, and as soon as the alocasia starts to grow, oh, it's going to be so beautiful. It's going to fill out, and I'll just keep you updated with the progress of them.